we talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your My Diary app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on this sign down here, we just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on edit photo. When you just click on it, click here on allow. So then it's going to take you to change or select your photo profile to add it on your My Diary app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.